Hi, today we are going to learn about writing equations of perpendicular lines. Let's look at the problem. Solve. Write the equation of a line perpendicular to y is equal to negative 4x negative 3 going through 0, 2. Now, remember that perpendicular lines have the slopes equal to negative reciprocal of each other. That is, you can say if line L1 is perpendicular to line L2, then your m1 times m2, m1 being the slope of line L1 and m2 being the slope of line L2, is equal to -1. We can also say m1 is equal to -1 by m2, or m2 is equal to -1 over m1. So this is the result we use for writing the equations of perpendicular lines. So now the line given us y is equal to negative 4x negative 3. Comparing this with the slope intercept form, I get m1 as -4. So my m2 will be -1 over m1. It's -1 by -4. That's equal to 1 by 4. So I put this in the slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. Y is equal to mx plus b. This implies y is equal to 1 by 4x plus b. Now the line is passing through 0, 2. So 0, 2 become the intercept. So let me put 0, 2 in this and find b. 0, 2 means x, y. So y is 2. 1 by 4 times x is 0 plus b. 2 is equal to 0 plus b. So we can say b is 2. Now substituting this value of b back in the equation, I get y is equal to 1/4 x plus 2. So this is the line perpendicular to the y is equal to -4x minus 3 passing through 0, 2. And I can see this is the answer in the C part. Next problem. Solve. Write the equation of a line perpendicular to y is equal to -9x minus 4 going through 0, -2. m1 becomes -9. This implies m2 will be 1 by 9. Since negative reciprocal of m1, so my equation becomes y is equal to 1 by 9x plus b. Let's put 0, -2. So -2 is equal to 1 by 9 times 0 plus b. -2 is equal to 0 plus b, or we can say b is -2. So this implies y is equal to 1 by 9x minus 2. So y is equal to 1 by 9x minus 2 is the line perpendicular to y is equal to -9x minus 4 going through 0, -2. And we can see this is the answer in the B part. Next problem. Solve. Write the equation of a line perpendicular to y is equal to 4x minus 13 going through 0, -1. m1 is 4, so m2 should be -1 by 4. So y is equal to -1 by 4x plus b. Now put 0, -1. So -1 is equal to -1 by 4 times 0 plus b. -1 is equal to 0 plus b. We get b as -1. So y is equal to -1 by 4x minus 1 is the line perpendicular to y is equal to 4x minus 13 passing through 0, -1. I can see this is the answer in the A part. I hope you can practice more problems on writing equations of perpendicular lines now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.